And the winner, Sister Pedro, 4 points.
No! You did not win me! How will you win me?
Everything at 5 points.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tomi James in case you're new here, and if you're not new, thank you so very much for coming back to my channel today. So guys, in today's video I have a very special guest, my beautiful friend. As you can see, so beautiful. Her name is Adekweju. Say hi.
Hello guys.
Her name is Adekweju. We've been friends since secondary school actually. So she's here and we are going to be doing the Song Association Challenge. I hope Kweju does not come to my channel to beat me because that would be so bad. I do not know any song at all. So guys, my sister, I just have my sister to write some words down from songs, you know. So we are going to have, I think 10, is it 10 Dockers? 15 songs,
15 minutes,
15 seconds. We have 15 seconds to, you know, guess the song that the word is in it. I hope you understand. Just the way, you know, you play that game. So who is going to go first? Myself?
My goodness, why me?
Okay. Alright.
The first word. Hi.
Hi. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, hi. You want me to sing the song?
Go.
Yeah,
Okay.
the song go. Hi.
Hi, Adekunle Gold, Davido.
Sing the song.
Oh. Me high, just want to be high.
She got that one. Okay, it's my turn, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Jesus Christ.
Vibes,
Abby. Vibes. Vibes on night. I believe vibes on time. Ariastana.
No, that's not the song.
You know, freak you, my vibes. Vibes in there.
Yeah, you know that one. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's start.
Okay, my turn now.
Yeah. Your turn. Oli. Oli. 5 seconds left.
Oli. I don't know.
Lose.
Oli.
Your time is up.
Only Abby.
Oli father.
Only Crystal leave me alone.
Orange just really me say, so I don't know which one.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Billionaire.
Oh. I want to be a billionaire. I want to be a billionaire.
Oh God. I know.
Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Your turn. Baddest.
What the baddest? Obi Otibe won sorry. I don't know the full lyrics.
Is it the song?
The song.
Yes. Obi Otibe won sorry. Nǹkan tí mo ṣe align tí mo rántí lórí yẹn nìyẹn.
Half.
No, don't do this to me.
What's the song?
Baddest boy.
Davido àti Bobo
Yeah. Yeah. Everything there. Alcohol.
That's why I sip my alcohol.
Yeah.
I don't want to do bad things, no. I don't want to go back to.
Okay. Oh yeah, Sister Pedro, you get this one this time. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Find me.
Find me.
You lost.
Stop. Just say.
Find me.
Sorry, I don't know.
Somebody's song will
Find me. Actually, she wants somebody to find her.
No, that can't do this.
No, because tomorrow you're like, no, that is find me.
Should we give a bonus or lose?
Yeah, lose. You want another?
Money.
Money, Abby.
Mm.
Money, ego. Whoa,
Okay.
Jesus.
Baby woman. Yeah, stop it. This time you get it, I'm sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Baby bad.
My baby bad.
Hey.
My baby good.
Yeah, everything there.
Okay.
Do me.
Yeah, I love the way you do me.
Start with you.
Okay.
Low.
I just wanna go tell your friends I love them too.
It's part of it.
Yes, it's part of it. I got it.
Part of it. You got it.
Yeah, whatever.
That was actually 10. Oh.
Are you for it?
5-5.
Wow, so we are done.
You guys are done.
Oh, at Shetan.
Because winner.
And the winner, Sister Pedro, 4 points.
No! You did not win me. How will you win me?
Everything at 5 points.
No.
When it was already dancing, how you win? How do you win?
Everything there.
You cannot come to our channel to beat me. So, Peju is still saying that she cannot accept for her master.
No.
She cannot accept for me as the winner. So we are going to actually pay more. Okay, maybe some 5 or 6. Let's say 3. Okay.
We should mention the artist's name. Even if the artist features someone, we should mention the person.
It cannot work.
It will work.
You cannot work.
To win now. No.
It can never work. You can never.
No, because
it
I
can
came
never.
to your channel.
No. Like unnecessary now.
I have to win. Seriously.
We do not need to mention
This
her.
we will. No.
I will lose.
You will lose. Because you know you will lose.
Okay.
I had the first one, Sister Pedro.
Okay.
Bam bam.
Bam.
Bam bam.
Bam. Bam bam.
Bamba. Jiggy.
No. No. Bam bam.
This popular
That
TikTok.
was
Bam bam. You don't even know it.
I don't know it. I don't know Bamba.
Time is up. You want to bam bam?
I
want
want
to
to
chill
be with
with
the
the
big
big
boys.
boys.
Oh, that was actually easy. Actually,
But you don't know it.
yes, honestly, it's not still I did.
Zero.
Bam, bam.
Okay, everything there.
Okay.
Risky.
Risky, everybody risky. Risky. That's the song. Yeah, risky. That's
No.
risky. Like this Davido, it's not Davido that sang it.
Okay.
Sister Pedro. Duduke.
Do Kemi.
Oh, well done, Duduke.
Okay, 1 point for you.
Okay.
Everything there.
Okay.
Love.
Love, Abby. Love. I
Love.
love you, you love me.
No, that.
Love.
You are doing it pop.
Love.
Time is up.
Time.
Yes. Your
Bonus.
time is up. Bonus. Love. Sorry. Love. I don't know love. What's love?
No, love. Any
Love.
song that has love.
Any song that.
And now.
Okay, time is up.
She does not know it.
Okay, this is my turn.
Joro.
Jero. I told you.
Okay.
And this is the last one. Oh.
For me, Abby.
So this can either be a tie or a winner. That means like both of you will win or one person will win.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure she's gonna get it.
You.
You, Abby. You. You raise me up.
We are doing
Hip hop. Time's up. You lost. And the winner is
She's not win.
no. She won 2, you won 1. You missed them. You missed.
Excuse you,
both.
please,
You missed the boat. You missed them. What's it called?
You don't have to explain.
You
to
shall
her.
lose. You lost
Please
twice.
announce the winner, please.
You lost twice. The winner is Sister Queen with 2 points.
Thank you.
No.
Ojoro.
You've lost twice.
Twice.
Yes, it's 3-3 now.
You
lost twice.
and Kinasin pay love. Méjì
Oh.
ló ṣì, mo gba méjì, mo ṣe ẹyọkan. Be calming down. I am
Ife me. Because I was actually leading, no. I actually won, no.
So at the end, Sister Kuju won.
Thank you.
Anyways, guys, I actually did not accept defeat. I'm really being nice because I just thought that young shall grow.
Oh. Young shall grow, indeed.
Let me just let her win because it's just a very nice thing to do.
Excuse me.
So what you want?
I am the winner.
I beg you.
Like I am the winner.
Sorry. This is going to go. I am going to hear this for the rest of my life. You actually won.
Yeah.
Okay. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice.
You're welcome.
Anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. It was actually a very fun one, and we hope that we'll see more of Adepeju on our channel, right?
Yes.
Definitely, because you want to come more.
I will.
But I promise you next time it's not going to be very easy.
Okay.
I'm not going to play easy.
We shall see.
Alright.
We shall see.
Alright. Anyways, guys, I am so happy. I'm so pleased that you all watched up until now. Guys, I am rocking my ponytail, braid attachment ponytail. If you've not seen that video, I'll leave the link up here so that you guys can go and watch and you can make this beautiful baby by yourself. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And until I see all of you amazing people in my next video, please stay safe. Bye. Please say bye. Bye.